Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a new account in Among Us. It's very easy to do that. Now, instead of opening the app, I want you to just hold on the app, okay? And when you get these options, click on App Info. Or you can go to your settings, go and look for the app Among Us through App Settings. And now I want you to scroll down until you see Storage and Cache, okay? I want you to tap on that. And what I need you to do is I need you to clear the data. So this is the user data, this is the cache. And to clear all of that, first click on clear cache. Now the cache is gone. Now we need to get rid of the user data so we can create a new account when we open the app. Click on clear storage. There you go. We'll delete the app data. Tap on delete. And now, whenever you go ahead and open up Among Us, it will actually prompt you to create a new account. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.